I don't even know if this works. Alright. Do y'all get anything? Can you see anything? Alright. Let's see here. It says 2 of y'all are watching. Can somebody comment? If you can. Alright. Live chat. Enable live chat. So, alright, Goomus, can you see a chart now? I'm trying to get this thing set up where I can see the YouTube stream at the same time. But I hadn't figured that out yet. See, now if I flip back to this, it doesn't have that up there anymore, right? You just see the blue screen. Y'all got blue screen, or y'all got you got blue screen, or do you got chart? No chart yet. Okay, let me see if I can switch this real quick. It's tricky. Trying to get it to just do one screen, because I want to set it up to where I can see the comments at the same time. Alright, if I do this, shit. Hang on. Bear with me, huh? Let me try putting up a different one here. And let's see if I can... Okay, so... add source. And the URL is here. Copy. So I should be able to go here, add this URL. It won't do it that way. Well, people are saying stuff. What's up, Frank? Give me a second. I'm trying to figure this out. I got this. I got some layout stuff set up. It just won't let me quite yet broadcast without changing. It's hard to explain. It won't let me broadcast without locking the screen. It's like it wants to flip back and forth, and I don't want to do that. See, I can flip it to Opera, and y'all will see Opera automatically. Done. See, now I can do this, and then I can just move it back here. I can do stretch it to fit the screen, and then I'll do this here. But see, y'all aren't seeing what I want you to see quite yet. See, I want you to be able to only see. Maybe I have to use two separate browsers. I didn't think about that. Okay, so now, do you see a chart right there? You got the Wink, or I'll switch it to something else, Toco, on the monthly. If I can get this set up, we'll do it this way instead of Discord, because Discord's so choppy for everybody. It's frustrating. Okay, now I see the chart was up for a second, but okay. So now it's going to show me flipping back. Yeah, see, now it shows me flipping back. Now, see, I got to figure out how I can only do it. Let's open up a separate browser. How about that? That's worth a try. But no, I can't do it that way. I have to do, can I do Google? Chrome? Maybe? I've seen it pop up there. Now you're looking at what I'm looking at. Alright, let me try Google Chrome. And let's see if I can do TradingView there. Alright, and then what we'll do is go back to the OBS software here. Erase this window capture because we don't want to see this one. We want to see Windows. So let me pull up Windows here. Window capture. Add. Let's do Google Charts. Call it Google Charts. Google Charts. And then we'll do there. Done. So then we'll do transform, stretch to screen. Then I'm gonna move it to the background, and then I'm gonna drag and drop a different thing there. Now you guys see the chart, right? Yeah, I got to figure out the delay. I'm sorry. I got to figure out the delay. I've not dealt with the delay before. I think it's like 10 seconds, and there's nothing I can do about that. That's just YouTube's algorithm. Okay, so you got the screen. All right, now look, I'm actually looking at YouTube and seeing y'all's comments. Now, let me minimize this to a smaller size because I don't want to see any of that. I just want to see y'all's comments. That's all I care about. Well, that didn't work. All right. I'm getting there. Alright, I've got everything locked here. So now I got this sweet layout where it's got Professor Keith's chart in 101 up here with a blue box underneath it and shit. How dope is that? And I can like make it fancier. See, now this is why I need the dual monitors in here. If I got dual monitors in here, I can swap this other monitor over here and just have the stream up on this side, and I can have the charting going up over here. So, the problem is this isn't my laptop. This is my girlfriend's laptop. So I've only got like $200 saved up for the because I keep fucking Goomis's fault because he keeps fucking giving me shit coins and I can't take money out because I got to fucking keep investing. It's really your fault, asshole. That I can't have nice things. Alright. Bro, people are making 2 Binance accounts. Y'all are so far ahead of me. Y'all are in 2035. And I'm over here just like trying to figure out what the fuck's going on. And bro, I don't need to see max devices. Blah, blah, blah. I don't need to see it. Because I don't care. Right. Okay. Toko. Where is it? There it is. This is what I was looking at. Hey, what's up, Rashib? I think you're on there. It just popped up on my phone that you were commenting, so shit, I don't know, man. I'm figuring this out. Just burr with me. What's cool is I think I can see who's on here. You know what I need to do is get the other monitor in here. It's going to piss the girlfriend off. I'm just going to take it out of the office and bring it in here. Edward Dufresne. Which name is that? Because I don't have that as anything. Participants. Yeah, I can see Ricky's in here, Harvey, and Goomis. Which is only 3, but whatever. I'm still figuring this out. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring the other monitor in here. HDMI cable that bitch. And I'll put it in the back here, and I'll have it up on YouTube. And then I can see the comments, and we can go comments. Then I can live stream this shit whenever we do a. By the way, Red Bud tonight because it's fucking Monday. And then I can do this live when we do a class or whatever. Or we go over the market because I've been giving those videos for free for everybody, out to everybody. We can give them out live on YouTube, and then no one has to wonder what's going on and what's not going on. We don't have to go on Discord no more. We can just use YouTube. I'll still send the videos over there to YouTube to save them, but we'll just have the Discord to be saved, to comment, to talk on, and etc. Let's see if I can share this link to the group and get more guys in here. Hang on a second here. Okay, get in. We're testing it now. Okay. Yeah, shitcoins are great things, guys. We're gonna make a lot of money off of them. And there we go. We're back up. We're gonna make a lot of money off of them, and do big shit. So how about I'm one of the viewers? That's pretty funny. That's why I'm gonna get 2 monitors. That's what I'm gonna do when I get done here. Oh, that's what I was doing when I was rating. I was rating which coins I was gonna. I was rating which coins I was gonna move. H bar. Everybody needs to add H bar because it was a 1. It was a 1. Yeah. And basically the same chart was on TradingView that was on CoinTrader. I think Google moves a little smoother, by the way. Let's see how this is going to be the top. I didn't click on that shit. Alright, there we go. Boy. Get this out of the way here for a minute. Measure her. That seems like... That's not the full fractal. That can't be. Let's do... CoinTrader Pro. I bet that looks better. What's up? Let's see. What's up, EZ? I know, right, Darth? Bro, we're live streaming now. Right, the frame rate is faster. Discord does that. They limit speed on purpose. So there ain't nothing you can do about that. They limit speed on purpose to slow down their bandwidth, which sucks for all of us. Let's see if I can find a better H-bar chart, because I said it was a 1 today. And which one did I use? H-bar. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. Because this week was on multiple charts. Fucking H-bar. Fucking fib retracement's not working. Oh my god, work. Really? I never have this problem. And I'm having this problem. One color. Blue. No background. I don't want all these extra numbers. I do want the 2. And I do want the 1414. Log scale, please. Well, I want to let me do log scale. Let's try just doing settings one at a time. Settings. Because I'm not in log scale. That's why. Because I'm an asshole. There we go. How many times have I told y'all to be in log scale and I wasn't in log scale? God, what an idiot. What an idiot. Alright. I did move some over to H-bar, by the way. I'm fucking depressed about it, y'all. Know how I feel about H-bar. All it's ever done is broke my heart. Some barbecue place up the street's texting me telling me to come get barbecue. This can't be this one. I was basing it on the fact it didn't have any resistance. It's got a low percentage, but it's got no resistance at all. Okay. Oh shit! All right, what y'all want to play? We can play some fucking music, but they'll flag me. We got to play Black Eyed Peas, right? I think it's only necessary that we play Black Eyed Peas. Ooh, I can give people blue wrenches and shit, right? Bam. Oh shit, I've got the power. Fuck no, you can't trust H-bar. Bam. You get a blue wrench, and you get a blue wrench, and you get a blue wrench. Oprah in this bitch. Coin market cap chart. That's what I was doing, wasn't it? Or am I an asshole? H bar. Coin market cap dollar. That's what it was. I didn't have it in log mode, and I'm an asshole. Something y'all need to learn about Southern people. They get some beer in them, man. They don't even care anymore, bro. They just do whatever. Tell I don't use Google much more. Right. Maybe I should switch to Brave browser in here. I got it on the other computer. Just not on this one. But there's no resistance at all, y'all. Look at that shit. Yeah, there we go. Look at that bitch. Yeet. Oh my goodness. That says 3,229%, right? Let's add another one up here and get trading view up here just because. Listen, dogs, don't start. I had to bust some dogs' ass real quick. Yeah, let's not do USDT. H bar. Let's find the best H bar chart. Bitrix? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, let me take off this USDT chart and put this one on here because I think this one's better than the... There's more fractal there to look at. There we go. What does this say? I mean, this one says 1,700%. The other one said, the fuck are you doing, dog? Quit. Beep your ass. She's got a shock collar, but we don't shock her. We just beep it and it scares her. Did I give everybody a blue wrench? We can't call it the blue wrench mob because Al Dude did that. We got to call it something else. Oh, Edward, that's who you are, dude. I remember you now. He's a car guy. He watches the videos for the Mustang stuff. Oh, all right. Do we call H-bar shitcoin? Do we? Do we? So I need to add... I just need to add the Bitrix chart. And I need to move this one off because it's not an accurate reading. And we need to move H-bar up here and give it a green. Like that. There's an updated list. Now let's see if we can't find some resistance on here real fast like. While I got y'all on here. Since y'all ain't doing nothing except charting and making money. Like a bunch of fucking ballers. Because that's what y'all are. Y'all make me... Oh, shit. It's got one more spot to go, and it's up, y'all. I ain't got no other data, so let's add some daily in here. Everybody loves a little daily. Oh, look. There's no daily data. We gonna put a line here? I can't do pink because Al Dude did pink. What color should I do? Purple? That'll work. We'll put one more in there. Purple. Man. So, look. I don't exactly know when H-bar is going to do its deal. Right now, the stock is buried down. The MACD's ugly. And the RSI is pointing down. At some point, when it does this deal here, hey, man, we're going to get moving. And we got percents to make. Legit. At least 300 to all-time high. That's just the all-time high. And then after that, I mean, you know, we've seen this shit take off all the way up here to 1414 over and over and over again. So, I don't know, man. If it's ranked 57, is it really a shitcoin? I don't think it's a shitcoin anymore, is it? I think the top 40s are not shitcoins, right? If they're top 40. 600. Damn, Goomus, you're a baller. Oh, Rajib was commenting on a different one. I don't even have the rocket symbol. But he put a little rocket symbol up there. Rajib was in the other group. And he's not in our group, I don't think, because he never commented, but he still follows me on YouTube. Alright, I got a lot of money in Cocos. Do I pull some out of Cocos, or what do I do? Do I pull some out of Cocos? But Cocos has got a great chart, man. I don't want to pull out of Cocos. It's got a good looking chart. We charted it already, and it had how much percent? Like all of it? Okay, here's what I got to fix, because on Brave, all this was already done. We charted all these on Brave. And they're not on Chrome. You see this? Everything we did with resistance lines, it's not on Chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the YouTube on Chrome, and I'm going to put the Brave, on Opera. I'm going to put the YouTube on Chrome, and I'm going to put the Opera on charting. I'm going to switch them, because all the Opera data, all the Opera has all of our resistance lines that we drew. Because otherwise, I'm going to have to redraw them all, and I'm not going to redraw them all. Split, Ricky, like, man, how much do I split though? Cocos was how much? I got the list over here somewhere on paper. Cocos was... Oh, we didn't draw a percentage on Cocos. We just said we didn't know. We just said we didn't know. Okay. Which one don't I have? Which one don't I have? Let me look for a second here. I would pull up my Binance, but I don't have my VPN on. You know how that goes. Okay, so I don't have Fetch. Let's see. I don't have Fetch. I don't have Toco. I need to get Toco. I think I'll pull some out of Cocos and I'll move it to Toco. I already have some in HBAR. I already have some in Spend, Phoenix, Myth, Jar, ENQ, QKC, Bolt, TKY. Do I have some in TKY? Man, KuCoin, I don't really remember what I got. Network error. What is this shit? Get your network right, KuCoin. No damn time for no network errors. Come on. Alright, we'll just exit you out and do it again. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I've got... Well, now it's doing it again. It seems to be lagging on KuCoin. I don't know why. This is network error. There it goes. I got ENQ, Bolt, Grin, which is way down here. Is it a 3? Yeah, I could get out of Grin. Spend, jar, MTV, VSYS, TKY. Okay, so I can move some to. If I got it on Qcoin, I want to leave it on Qcoin. Tell you what I'll do. I'll move this Grin from Grin to Toko. And that'll be that. And then I can take some of Cocos and move it over to Fetch unless someone's got a better chart on Binance. Hey, what's up, Joe? What's your name on Telegram? I don't know who Joe Madrid is. We all got different names, and I can't remember people's names. Seller. Yeah, we only saw Seller only has like 800%, and that's with resistance, so it's going to take a little bit. If they would hurry up and give us our stimulus, man, all my stimulus money's going in here. All of it. Log into which stream, Darth? Oh, Jesus, what's up, bro? All right. Well, this is the first time you've ever been on live, right? All right. Well, I don't want to go any farther. Unless anybody's got any other coins. What was that? Now that one you what was the other one you sent? Gumus? What was it that you put? Sub. Okay. Okay, sub. Is there a better chart? Hitbit. I don't have Hitbit. Okay. So I can't buy it then? Man. I'll still chart it. How about that? Sub. There's some holes in this house. There's some holes in this house. Yeah, can we play fucking can we play WAP? Or they flag us? You think? Because I've been singing that shit all day in my head, man. All day long I've been singing that shit. Alright, so this one's in the floor. Oh, you know what? Let's not do this yet. Let's do it this way to see if it's going to go down anymore. Let's fib it from here up and do regular TA. What do you say? It appears that it hit its floor. You know what? I don't think this chart's right. Let's look over here on TradingView. If we can. If we can. Is there enough data? Yeah, there's some data here. This one actually says that we didn't do that. SUB. U. Okay. Let's look at this one. Here. Look, this chart's way more accurate. Look at that, y'all. This is the time to buy a sub if you're going to buy it. Look. Gumus, you're an animal. You see, Fitz only got 1,500% left. Like, what is the world coming to? Zensor, I guess maybe that's sensor, not Zensor, but sensor. We'd already charted it, and it only had a little bit of resistance. I mean, a little bit of percentage compared to resistance, so that was a no. Bro, sub looks stupid good. I got to get used to this dusk. Look at dusk. I got to get used to the delay. It doesn't work that way on Discord, but then Discord doesn't have as good as video quality. So, oh, by the way, I made a list of, you already know that, but I made a list of coins that have already went, and I need to put that up. What you got left, Dusk? What you got left, Dusk? 1,000% there. No, I didn't mean to do that. Dusk. Okay, more data on Dusk here. Whoops. I'm gonna kill that dog. There we go, I just beeped her. What you got, Dusk? I'm gonna kill her. She's just barking at air, like the air. 4,100%? Wait a second. Where the hell am I supposed to afford these? Damn it. $4,100%. Let me check. If I can find another. Damn it, this is right. Alright, I gotta buy some fucking Dusk too. Come on, damn it. There we go. I got money over there in gold and silver and platinum I can move out. Those are long term, but the percentages aren't as high. Alright. Phew. Did y'all see that? I fucking messed up the screen, but... Whoa. 3,200 there. 4,300 there. Where's my pencil at? Where's my pencil at? Let me write that down, y'all. I'm getting excited again. Look what y'all done to me. Okay, so Dusk. Let's chart it up here the correct way. No horse shit. Blue monthly support here. And then we got... We'll add some resistance lines. Is there any resistance lines? Not monthly, they ain't. So we're going to switch to weekly. And see if we can find some. There's some. Okay, so probably here. Near the pivot. Somewhere around in there. And maybe another one down here. Okay, so we got a couple weekly resistance lines. But Dusk is a 1. Dusk is a 1. Alright, let's put that here. And it goes up to here. It was 3,800 over here. 3,200, and it's 4,300. 32, 43, that's 11. Split the difference would be 5.5, so that would be 3,700%. Fuck, y'all. 3,700% target. Okay. And we need to write down here that this is a quick mover. Weekly resistance only. And put that in black. And we're going to move quickly from what appears to be the pivot line down here all the way up to what appears to be at least here, but I want y'all to understand that there is no resistance up here like we've seen a lot of coins have. No resistance up here to speak of. Doesn't exist. So we're going to be doing raw TA on all of these. Okay, that's getting added for sure. Binance chart, dusk. You're going up to the top. Up here with jar and myth. In green. Man, y'all kill it again, man. Y'all kill it again. Okay, yeah, it doesn't tell me who all's in here now. It just says live participants are. And it only got 2 of y'all on here. 3 of y'all. Did I do sub what? Oh, sub. Yeah. I just did it a second ago. Hang on, let me write down dusk first. I'm getting crossing my brain up here. Yeah, most definitely. That 2 different charts. I would say dusk goes high because 2 different charts rate super high percentages. Hardly any resistance. There's no monthly resistance. It's only weekly resistance. So you're really looking at 3 weekly lines, not a single monthly line. We're going to have higher percentages on dusk. It's going to move really rapidly once it gets up past the pivot on the month or weekly. Once it gets past the pivot, I mean, it's off the races, much like H-bar. Okay, so let's write down this dusk information real quick because I've been writing all these down. I've been writing all these down on my paper here, and I want to make sure I got it correct. So the floor on dusk is 0175. And then we got, it's a trading view chart. It's a 1. And it looks like 3,700% target. Um, 4,800 on CoinMarketCap. 3,200 on TradingView. 1 to 2, or I say 1 to 3 lines. Weekly only. Okay, the first move is going to be up to the first resistance line, which is 25%. 25% to what looks like first move. Second move will be 85%. Looks like that's going to be just past the 618 fib. Third move. Hell, I clicked the button. Whoops. Third move is 160%. 160% third. And then from there, we're at least 3,700. Dusk is for sure. Lock it in, a 1. Whew. And Dusk has good liquidity, if I'm not mistaken, right? Check if the all-time high is right. All right, let's see. All-time high of 67. Let's look and see real quick. Dusk. CoinMarketCap has all this stuff listed for anyone who's wondering. It shows an all-time high on Dusk of you see, it only shows an all-time high of 23 cents. Yeah. See, I get excited, but then it shows a weak all-time high. All. Yeah. Man. So that's the thing, man. Or 30 cents it shows. And it shows 67 cents. It shows 67 cents on TradingView. And then on Dusk, it also shows 59 cents, 60 cents. Let's look at... That's CoinMarketCap showing 60 cents. Coin Paprika shows 28 cents. Which one do we go by? Scroll down lower, it shows on the sidebar. Oh, well, thank you, know-it-alls. All-time high, 61 cents. I got 67. So let's lower this down to 61. There you go. What does that give us? Still right at 3,600, 3,700%. Damn it. I'm feeling good about Dusk. Let's go ahead right now. Right about now. Hey, look here. Binance US just sent me an email and they are open to Florida. From now on, Florida is legal for Binance US. So go get it, fellas. Okay, selling some Cocos. I'll sell half. And I believe Dusk has a BTC pair, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay. Cocos. Well, that doesn't have. I'll have to do a USD pair. 100%. %. Okay. Then let's go to Dusk. Buy that. 80. Bam. Oh, hell, don't start that. You don't have enough funds. I just sent it over. Done. Order filled? Yep. Binance feels so much easier, man. I really enjoy how fast Binance can do your work for you. Binance is such a better exchange. It just is. Okay. I just moved 265 for a long hold. Very nice. What y'all doing to me, man? Breaking me. You're breaking me. Y'all are breaking me. All right. What else I got? Okay. Cocos, Myth, PHB, Dusk, H-Bar, BRD, CMT, and I have almost a penny left in USDT. Feel like I'm doing pretty good right there. Convert them small balances over to BNB because you get a discount for using Binance Coin. Okay. I know, right? The Easy Duty's fucking killing us, man. All he does all day long is find ways to make me go broke. And I'm not sure how I feel about that personally. I feel a little attacked. A little bit attacked. Not a lot. I wonder if they'll let me play WAP. It's the worst song ever made. Oh, there's a video now. That can't really be a video.
Meet Chris and Mark. They both heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum. While Chris is using eToro to trade top cryptocurrencies.
Oh my god, it's really the video. The statues have water coming out of their titties. What am I seeing? Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I've been singing this in my head all day. This video is actually better than I thought it would be. Okay, enough. For fuck's sake. Save us all. Save the children. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. It's the worst thing ever. It's the worst thing ever created for music. And I've been singing it in my head all day. Thanks a lot, America. You sure y'all European guys ever want to come here? I don't think you do. I'm not sure y'all are prepared for what we offer. I got to write down H-bar real quick. I got to chart H-bar. I know we didn't do it. I know we're not on the right thing, but I want to get it right. I'll switch it over to Opera later. But I want to get it right. You still with us, Jesus? If so, I'm sorry, man. It's a train wreck, and that's how I roll, bro. Alright, H-bar is a 1. Floor of 01. Floor of a penny. That's like $1 million European dollars, 1 penny, in case y'all are wondering. That's just the math of it. I can't help it. So first move. Whoops. Wireless application protocol was funny, by the way, Darth. Don't think I didn't see it. 11%. 20% second move. And that's... Okay. First. Second is 20%. Third move would be to the... Looks like the 618, basically. I'll probably put that up there. So let's do a better percentage on that one. 45%. 45%. 0.618. And then from there, it's free to run, man. It's free to Elsa that shit, bro. Let it go. Oh, 1700%. And let's double check coin market cap. Make sure I got 1700%. Well, this one's 3200%. Thanks a lot. This one's the same, isn't it? This one's 700. Okay, if we split the difference between all that, TradingView comes out to 1700. So we'll go with 1700. That's a more conservative approach. But the fact that there's no resistance at all makes it a number one. And we're going to put this on TradingView. I just don't feel like we found many threes. Hey, hold up a second. I got to answer this phone call. All right, rock and roll. Yeah, I listed them just now. So, Jeezers, we already went through. Oh, sorry, that was Smitty. What's up, Smitty? I gotta get you a wrench, bro. Hold on. Yeet. So yeah, we already went through. What's up, Ricky? Anybody else that don't have one? Don't look like it. Okay, so I wrote these down. MTV has. Let me find it. MTV has 7,500% available with only 3 resistance lines. Okay? So that's clearly the number one. ENQ is second because it's got 6,000% available with 3 lines. Spend has 6,700% available with 3 lines. And it's got 870% just back to the 1 line. 335% just back on its first move, 335%. Dusk has, we just did it, Dusk has 3,700% with no monthly lines and only weekly lines. Jar, what Goomish just said, has only had 19%, but we went over this the other day, and Jar had better percentages than that. 4,000, depending on which chart you use. We split the difference on them. That's why I put 4,000. Only has 3 lines. It's got 50% first move, 200% second move, 280% just back to the 50 fib. Toko, we just did. And I haven't written it down. Let me write it down. Toko, which I'm about to get over on KuCoin and get. Only has 1 monthly line. Oh, look, it is on here. Okay, sweet. 2,500% target. Make sure I didn't write that anywhere. TKY I did, but not Toko. So Toko has a floor of 1.3 cent, 0.013 floor. We're using a trade and view chart. It has %30 first move. I'm going to resistance lines here. 70% to the 382 basically. To the monthly line, which is the only one that's there, is 275%. Which is basically the 72 fib or 71, whichever one you like. And then R1 is 630%. Just back to R1, which is all-time high. And then you're clear to, roughly 2,500%. But as you see, me and Darth was talking about this, and we're only going to make Toko a 1 once the 8 crosses the 21 right here, okay? On the weekly. We talked about that one. Once the 8 crosses the 21 and it moves into a bull move, it'll probably cross the 236, hit this resistance line down here, S1, It hasn't broken it. Bounced off of S1 right here. Hasn't broken it. Once it crosses this, that's the signal to buy on Toko. But I'm already in Grin, which is way down here. And it's super early on Grin. And there's more resistance. So I could probably get out of Grin and move over to Toko first. Since it's a 3 and Toko is a 1. If that makes sense to you. So the 3s are the last ones that are going to move. Or I say the last ones that are going to move. The ones that are going to move the slowest. They still got good percentages. They're going to move the slowest. The oranges, since I don't have yellow, I used orange. They're the second best. They're going to move quicker, have similar good percentages. And the greens, obviously, they're going to move the fastest. They have the most percentages available, the least amount of resistance. the best looking charts. Even though all these charts are ugly, we're seeing the market move up. Everything's copying OMG, ZRX, VET, Zeal, KNC, Digibyte, Dragon, Matic, and ADA. I wrote these down too. I'm about to put a chart up of these. Let's do that right now. Let's create a new list. Coins that are ahead. Save. We're going to do VET. We got Zeal. We got KNC. These are all the ones I just found today. Oh, and we need to add ZRX on here because it's ahead. Digibyte. It's on Binance now, isn't it? Yep. Dragon. Is it on Binance? No, it's not. It's on KuCoin and Bittrex. We'll do Bittrex. I got good data. OMG. We'll do Tether because we have it. Matic. ADA. Oh, there was a caveat to Matic. Matic still has 200% left. That was the caveat. And then ZRX. So if you want to get in Matic, you still have 200% left if you want to hop it. All these have already gone. They're up high. They've passed everything else as far as the fib from the same place we've pulled from the other ones in the June area of 19. As you see, this one already went up and hit 1414. VET did. Zeal didn't go all the way up. I wrote here also that Zeal has only done 75% of the overall move. It's still got time to go up. This is only 25% of the move left by percentage. If you look, there's only 200% left, okay? That's still good. It's the same as Matic. Basically 200% left, but it's not a hardcore hop like these other ones. KNC, of course, that one doesn't look good. Let's do a better chart. I didn't mean to do that one either. I still like to use Binance when I can. And of course, that chart looks like death too. KNC, USD. We got Poloniex, Kraken, Bitfinex. They got futures, perpetual. That one's got good data, I guess. You know what we didn't look at was, I didn't actually click on it. There it is. Okay. Yeah, KNC has already done its thing. It's already went way up. Blew right through all those weekly resistances and one of the monthly resistances, which is pretty impressive. Right in this area. Yeah, look, this one actually, I even wrote KNC did 140% of its overall move. It hit the 1414 like everybody else, like OMG did. KNC dropped all the way back down. Look at this shit, y'all. All the way back down here to find support. Found support. Reversed. Did an inverse head and shoulders right here. You see, and I wrote it. That was on the daily, though. Come up and hit 1618 and blew right through it. And it kept going. After it hit the 1414, it had a huge dip. And this is what I'm worried about, okay? I'm worried about these other coins doing this shit right here to us. That's why I'm thinking I'm going to get out right here. Unless I see their all-time high. If they're all-time high, I may stay in because, I mean, I don't know how far they're going to go, but past all-time high, what is there except technical? So, that's what worried me about KNC. Let's see. Absolutely, Darth, you're right. They help manage the timing and prevent us getting caught up in crap that isn't going to move quickly. Lend. We already did lend. It wasn't enough of a move. Acro, same thing. AVA, I think we looked at. AVA. Maybe we didn't. All the data right there. Look at that. AVA. Travala. It sounds like a commercial. Yeah, this one's already done its move. See this? She's gone with the wind. That gets added to the already done it list. Is that what you were calling out right there, brother? Goombas? Lend. Ave. Yeah, land went absolutely nuts. But again, look what it did. It went up and hit the 414 and got hung up on the 1618. This one actually did a 1618 here. But look at this shit, man. It is so gone. The land is so far out in front of everybody. Is this actually land? Whatever Ave is took off. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's the same chart. Yeah, Lind is way ahead of everybody. I would say Lind is farther out than anybody. So y'all tread lightly. Understand? You want to play with a coin that's out in front of everybody, you better be careful. So let's chart this out the right way here. All the way to the top because it's already broken that. It's broken the one line. We're over all of our support. We're way away from, we're not way away from the 8. We got some room. RSI is screaming high. I don't know how far this is going to go without checking up on that one line right there, okay? At some point, it's going to come back down and check up. It has to. That's the technicals. It tests lines. We've already found that out. Same situation on CoinMarketCap. It's gone way up, has not come back down and checked any of these lines right here. Blew right through this resistance. All the way up. At some point, it's going to test. It's got to find support. Is it going to find it at the one line? I don't know. Or is it going to go all the way to 1414 here? I mean, it's possible. There's still 350% left in that bitch. Odd call, but I don't know, man. ZRX. Well, let's have a peek. What do you think? ZRX. I got it sitting right over here, and I'm clicking buttons and shit. RSI's got some room. Let's see what you like. It looks like basically the same fractal. Looks like it's already at 1618. Just double check. Oh no, ZRX has got more in there. ZRX has more. Look, it hit the 618 and bounced. So we got to break through that. We got resistance in here too. May get hung up for a bit. Okay? Just the way it is. Right there at that red line. Multiple candle hits right there on that red line at 618. So I may stop here for a bit and check up and think about it. Bro, this dog is farting and it reeks. Oh. Bitch. Technically, she is technically really a bitch because she's a female dog. AOA. Okay. Wait. Oh, you ma. AOA. Hey, listen. Tomorrow I'm going over the back side of XRP and why it looks so bad. I know most of y'all already know. But I'm going to put that out for the public so everybody can watch it. So I'll do it on here live, on YouTube live. $2,600%? Where you been hiding this one at? I ain't got no more money. Dick. Well, the Angolan dollar is down. You could probably short that. Well, there's no more data, so we got with some resistance. Probably hitting resistance now. Yeah. So it's got 2 lines and 2,500%. Looks like a 1 to me. AOA. AOA has a floor of 0.0011. Percentage moves. Let's do weekly just to double check it. Yeah, it's got some resistance and it's in it now, okay? So it's going to have to fight through this. It bounced off the 786. It might make a move, a cup and handle. Looks like there's a cup right here and a handle. We usually see 30% pullbacks on cup handles. A 382. Is that a 382? That's a 236. So it's not done. It's probably going to come down here. And then go. So maybe this is a 2. I'm going to sneeze. Hang on. Excuse me. This one's trending down. It's in a downward wedge. Let's get a trend line here. Falling wedge. Okay. This is a good sign because fallen wedges tend to mean that that's a bullish move. It's just a retrace. Okay, so you probably need to add a resistance line in here somewhere. Right here. Ah, see, its own support in between support and resistance is maybe got a week or two to bounce around in here and make a move. It's either going to move from here or dip down to the next support at 007. That is a potential 30% loss. Your risk. You can either wait on that 30% or you can wait for it to cross the 786, which is a 80% loss, but you don't risk losing any money. So I would wait for it to break some resistance here. I would say probably got another line in here right there. I'd wait for it to break 0.017 first. So 0.017 barrier, then buy. We don't have that here. We don't have any data. That's all we've got. It's a parabolic move that needs to retrace. Well, shit. It's over the 8. So AOA is a crapshoot. It's on you. What are you going to do? I'm going to move it over here, though. AOA. It's a 1. But I'm going to make it a 2 based on the fact that it's got resistance. And I move it under the ones I don't own. Alright. And that was 2,500%, right? She was jumping on me too, babe.
It's a good thing that we didn't need to go in there and talk to Dylan, huh?
Is he not there?
I have to teach in an hour.
Oh. Well, we can do it. I mean, we can still do it tomorrow. I don't care. We can still go talk to him tomorrow.
Jackson has practice at 6.
I don't care. We're going to talk to him because you wanted to. You look nice. Girlfriend looks hot, y'all. Let's go. Somebody wants some pipe. She heard me. So basically 2,600% for AOA. So we'll write that on here. 2,600%. Yeah. I said you look nice and it looks like you want some pipe. Well, it's too late. They already heard it. You look nice, babe. 2,600%. But I hate to give you a target on this one because it's such a weird looking chart, man. Okay. I'm going to leave it at 2 because I'm still not positive. So AOA is a pump and dump scam. Yeah, it's climbing. Right. Well, the thing is, even if it's a pump and dump, I don't really care if the chart looks good. And this is just a nice retrace in a fallen wedge. If it was a real pump and dump, we'd have a solid green and a solid red back down. And we didn't have that. And even pump and dumps, I don't care if it's a pump and dump. If it's going to make me money, I don't care. It can do that if it wants to. I'm fine with that. Let it pump. I'll ride it until the point hits. And then when the point hits, I'm good. AST. Y'all are killing me. I'm going to have to go whore myself out to make some more money. Alright. This one looks like it may be out front a little bit. Sensitive ass mouse. I like my mouse better. One four one four. Look at that. Already hit it. So AST is out front. Move that one over here. AST USD out front. It's up 27% today. Bro. Well, I mean, look at all the ones that are out front. 30, 5, 7, 10, 27, 10. Maybe being out front is not a bad thing. We just got to get these ones we have. And look at E and Q. Yeah, bro, let's go. Come on, E and Q. Do that big boy dance. Let's go. Look at them indicators. Tell me something, y'all. If you were to look at these indicators without the candles up there, what does that tell you? Because I'm sure some of these other guys who don't know as much are listening. What does these indicators tell y'all? Because y'all already know, but I want the other guys to be able to see. I don't know if that's the best time to enter EZ, but that's usually when I like to get out because you don't know what's going to happen. Those indies say buy more, bro. Exactly. Selling vintage Xbox surround for sale. Oh my god. Alright, Harvey, I'm getting ready to get off here too. I just want to do some of this stuff and test out this live stream. I'm going to do what I said. I'm going to switch Google over to YouTube Live, and I'm going to switch Opera over to charting so that all my charts will be pulled up correctly, because they're not all pulled up correctly. We charted all these the other day and wrote down percentages, and they're just not up here. And I'd like to see them. I'm tripping out on ENQ. Look at that dailies. Look at that. Never broke the midline. It stayed right over it. Look at the 40 line. Why do I teach this? Look at that. Get out of my face, bro. The stock rode the bottom just like we say it does. Hit the 40 line. Over the midline. Over the 8. You can't see it, but it's over the 8. The moving averages were nice and flat. Look at that daily flat averages. Golly. Look at the 8 crossing the 21. That's what we want to see on Toko. When we see that, we're getting in. What was the other one? Oh, Spend. Let's see what it looks like, the daily. Because it's got that super tight formation. Yeah, look what the daily did right there. That's an XRP move if I ever saw it. Look at that. Now we're just waiting because the bands are tight, but they got some room to go, I think. Yeah, I think we're over the 50 fib. We're holding right there. So let's see if it moves sideways and then does something. Like Theta and T-Fuel. MACD's got a little bit of room to come down. We're still above 40, but it's got a little room to come down. The stock is bottomed out. I like the way this looks. That's a good chart to get in my opinion. You're just waiting on that 8 cross. The 8 cross and some confirmation, and that would be your dead on 100% buy. I'm moving over to Toko now. I'm not going to wait. I like it better than Grin. Grin is down here. Grin is still under the 200 daily. It's super early on Grin. So, we're not going to do Grin. And I'm in bread. I'm really feeling like I should just get out of bread and move over into something else, like Toko, or move some more into ENQ or MTV. Look, this bread chart didn't even pull up. There it goes. Yeah, bread's similar to Grin. Look at that. Fighting with the 200 daily. Tons of wicks. I feel like I should just get out of this and move it over into others like MTV, Toko, and maybe move some more to Dusk, because Dusk has a much better looking chart. It's just farther ahead. Moving averages look good. It's got support. It's fighting with the 8. Whatever. I think I'll do that. I think I'll get realistic here. Be a little smarter. Move the Grin to Toko. Move the bread to MTV and Dusk. I got Spend. I got ENQ. Jar. Yeah, Jar. Myth. What do I got? Myth. Yeah, see, it just didn't put our stuff up here we wrote. I wrote percentages on top of all these. Thought I did. Maybe I didn't. Well, I got them wrote down on paper. I'll go back ahead and add them. So we've already added all these. Yeah, Toko. 2,500. Just waiting. Okay. Yeah, BRD's still early. I think I'll just get out of bread and move it over to something else. I'll stick with MTV, ENQ. ENQ's liquidity is low though, so I'm trying to be careful. MTV, Toko. Wait a second, what? Alright. ENQ, side boob, crop top yoga, exactly. If BTC pair, does that make it different? The only thing that's different for the BTC pair is buying and selling. You're still going to USD afterwards, so it doesn't matter. Still use USD chart. You're only going to be in Bitcoin for a second to make the buy or sell, and that's it. Then you're going right back to USDT regardless, unless you want to keep Bitcoin. But I don't, so it's just your money. Spend, yeah, I'm already in spend. Yeah, exactly right, Smitty. It's just a way of getting in and getting out. You're not going to ever look at the chart. You're only going to use BTC pairs to get in and get out. And after that, you're going right back into USDT or XRP if that's your point. You want to store up XRP. BitTrue has XRP pairs, so you can get a coin to go straight to XRP instead of selling it to USDT first. It's a little easier that way on BitTrue if you're just trying to stack up XRP. I'm going to fill my XRP bag back up to where I had it before I started with some of these profits. Hopefully I'll have enough to pay the truck off. If I can pay my truck off, that opens up a world of opportunities for me. My insurance will go down. The payment will be off. The tax and tag will go down. The title fees will go down. Plus I'll have more money to spend. And I know that takes money out of crypto. It takes money out of investments, but it reduces my livable expenses, which I really want to get down. So I want to get a house, different house. So a forever house instead of this one. It's a nice house we're in now, but it'd be nice to have a forever house. Alright. Okay, fellas. I'm going to stop now. I appreciate everybody showing up, man. This was just a test, and it ended up being us charting. So y'all guys are kick-ass. We even found more to get in, and I'm proud of y'all. Y'all are... Oh, AOA. I need to get in AOA. It's a 2, though. Yeah, we made it a 2. Never mind. Could probably get out of CMT also because it was a 2. Right? CMT was a 3. I need to get out of CMT. I'll just get out of CMT. That's what I'll do. I'll get out of CMT. I'll move it over. I'll get out of bread. I'll move it over. I'll get out of Grin. I'll move it over. I got Wink too. Man. I'll think this out a little bit. I don't know. I'm going to think this out. I'm definitely going to move some money around. Sub. Yeah, I did sub. Hang on a second. You're right. Real quick. Sub. Yeah, we stopped, didn't we? My fault. I'm going to sneeze again. Yeah, we said the trading view chart was better. Let's do some lines real fast, because that's what we're here for. We chart together. If y'all will go ahead and find charts and do this and shoot them into the Telegram group for everybody to look at, that would be awesome. So y'all see what I'm doing. It's nothing fancy here. And then we get another one here. Or do we have one down here? We'll use the fib line. How about that? So it's 2 monthly, 3 monthly lines, 4 monthly lines. Okay, sub has a lot of percentage, but it also has some resistance, man. Weeklies are orange. 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 Okay. That's a lot of lines, y'all. Orange. Orange. 3, 6, 9 lines. What's the percentage? It better be god awful. Let's get out of this and make a new fib to June 19. Area here, down. Okay. All right, this one's going to be a different size on the fact that, okay, it's still 4,300%. Oh boy. Okay, sub. Oh, it's on Hitbit. That's why I stopped. I have to get a Hitbit account. 1, 2 monthly lines. 1, 2, 3 weekly lines. So 5 lines. So this is once we get some movement here, this becomes a 1. But right now it's a 2. There's too many resistance lines for it to be a 1. But there's a lot of percentage left in this one. Do y'all see that? Hey, what's up, Frank? All right, Smitty, we'll see you, brother. I'm gonna post it up, Frank. It's just a test, and it ended up being charting. So, like I said, I was telling them guys I'm gonna switch that right now. I got the YouTube stream on Chrome, and I got the YouTube stream on Opera, and I got the charting on Chrome. And I've got to swap it around to where it's the other way around, so I can get all my data back. And I'm also going to bring the other screen in here and do dual screens, so I can put the stream on the right side and the left side I can chart. And that way I don't have to bounce back and forth. I can just look over and see the comments. Okay, so the floor is 0026. Percentages was 4,300. Like 4,300%. We're not even freaking out. I'm freaking out. Trading view was the 1. 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So really it's 6 lines. 2 red, 4 orange. So it's 6 lines. Yes, a 2. 6 lines. That's why it's a 2. There's too much resistance. First move, 60%. And that's to the first move. Then 186 to basically the 50. And then to the 786, it looks like 650%. I'm trying to use round numbers. 1950%. R2. And then the last move would be up here toward the main goal. So I'm waiting on sub. So we're going to do 4,200%. 4,200%. Target. And I'm going to put waiting on bull cross. Waiting on 8. Just like Toko. To buy in. Okay. Good deal. Sub is getting added. It's on Hitbit, and that's another reason I got to download a Hitbit and make an account. But it's a strong 2, so it's going up here above QKC. And FET goes above QKC fetch. Alright, now, I feel like that's some good charting. Yep, that was sub. Alright, that's a lot of coins. That's a lot of stuff we just went through. Thank y'all for watching. Now I got to figure out how to post this up, if I can post it up. I got to figure that out now. So once I figure that out, we'll shoot it over to Discord and a Telegram group. Otherwise, we'll see y'all fellas later. I hope y'all like the new layout, by the way, too. I can adjust it and add some other layovers. I just made this one real quick so it wouldn't be so boring looking with just my face up there. Alright, we'll see y'all fellas later.